Hello everyone, today we are preparing beef goulash. Beef goulash is a Hungarian beef stew seasoned with spices and vegetables, but this dish is common across all over Europe. The ingredients needed for this dish are given below. Usually, authentically, this dish is prepared with paprika, but here I am using Kashmiri chili powder. Now we are going to cut our beef into small chunks. Here I am cutting it into smaller chunks to reduce the cooking time. See the connectivity between the tissues. This makes the dish so delicious. Now we are cutting. Our beef is ready. Our onions also ready. Now we are putting olive oil into a pan. This is one pot preparation, so the preparation is very easy. Now we are adding chopped onion. Stir it for some time. After some time, we can add chopped garlic into this. Keep the heat on medium-low. Always. Stir it. Now we can season it with some salt. Always add less salt initially. If salt is more, we can't do anything. Now we are adding beef to it and stir it. Stir it for some time until the color of the beef change, around 10 minutes. See, the color of beef has started changing. Now the beef color is totally changed. Now we are adding spices into the beef. Always we can add local spices, whatever is available. There is not necessary to add these spices. Now we are stirring it for around 2 minutes until the raw smell of the spices vanish. Keep in mind to maintain heat on medium-low. We are stirring it. We can add tomato paste at this time. It's optional. I am not using it. I am not adding it. Now it's around 2 minutes. Now the raw smell of our spices has vanished. Now we can add 2.5 cups of water and stir it. You can always add water later at a later stage if the water is less. We can add red wine at this stage, but it's optional. I am not adding it. We can add a bay leaf also at this stage and let it simmer. Our gravy has started simmering. Now we'll cover it with a lid and keep it for 30 minutes and we'll come and see after 30 minutes. Remember to keep the heat on medium-low. Now our 30 minutes is over. We are adding a pinch of nutmeg and we are stirring it. Enough water is there, so no need to add water at this stage, and we'll cover it and keep it for another 1 hour. See, this meat I have used it before, so I know the preparation time. This takes only 1.5 hours. See, our gravy is not very thick, so we are adding breadcrumbs after 1 hour. We can add cornstarch also at this stage if you want, but I am adding breadcrumbs. Stir it and let the gravy thickens. Now we are checking the doneness of the meat by inserting a fork into it. The fork should go inside. That is the doneness of the meat. The beef should not fall apart if we when we insert fork into it. Now our beef goulash is ready. It's very delicious. It can be served with noodles, pasta, dumplings, and it goes well with Indian dishes like paratha, naan, chapati, and Kerala dish like puttu, appam, Kerala paratha. We can serve it with sour cream. My son just loved it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.